Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 9.2. In question number 2, like it was given in question number 1, there it was to add the two rational number. Here we are supposed to subtract two rational numbers. The procedure is same. We must be having denominators same. And in first part you can see 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. That means denominators are different. We are supposed to make it same denominator. So LCM of 24 and 36, because they have the common factors between them. So we will take LCM of 24 and 36. Both of them goes in 2's table, 2 12's are and 2 1's are, 2 18's are. Now 3 4's are and 3 6's are. Again 2 2's are, 2 3's are, 2 1's are and 3 1's are. Multiply it. 2 3's are 6, 6 2's are 12, 12 2's are 24 and 24 3's are is 72. So our LCM of 24 and 36 is 72. So we have to make both the numbers denominator same. So I will multiply 24 to make 72. I will multiply it by 3. So numerator also by 3. So the new number will be 21 divided by 72 and minus 17. Sorry, it is not minus, it is plus 17. 17 divided by 36, minus is the subtraction sign between the two rational numbers. To make the denominator 72, I have to multiply it by 2. So numerator will become 34 and denominator will become 72. Now we can subtract the two numbers. That is now 21 by 72 minus 34 by 72. Since we have got the denominator same, we will keep 72 in the denominator and numerator we will subtract. So 21 minus 34, since it is subtraction, we have to subtract and place the value of the greater sign, that is minus sign. Minus 34 plus 21 will give me minus 13 divided by 72. This will be our answer. Coming to the second part. It is 5 divided by 63 minus 6 by 21. Denominator are not same, but LCM I know it very well. LCM of 63 and 21 is 63. Why? Because 21 3's will be 63 and 63 1's will be 63. Therefore we have to make this number as 63. So I will write minus 6 by 21 to make it 63. I will multiply it by 3. So numerator also by 3. So I will get minus 18 by 63. Now we will subtract both of them. Therefore 5 by 63, yes, minus 18 by 63 is equal to, denominator will remain 63, numerator we will subtract 5, minus into minus will become plus 18. So our answer will be 18 plus 5 is 23 divided by 63. We can't cancel out, so our number will be 23 divided by 63. Now moving to the third part. It says minus 6 by 13 and minus of minus 7 by 15. Here LCM, since they don't have any common factors, so we will take LCM of multiplication of 13 and 15. LCM of 13 and 15 is 13's are is 195. Therefore make the number denominator same. So I will multiply 13 by 15 so that I can get 195. So numerator also will be multiplied by 15. 15 6 will give me 90 and the negative sign, and denominator we will get 195. Second number also same way, minus 7 by 15 it is. To make it 195 I will multiply it by 13, so numerator also by 13. 13 sevens are 13 sevens is I think 91, 10 sevens are 70 and 7 3s are 21. Yes, minus 91 divided by minus 91 divided by 195. Now I will subtract both numbers, so I will write that implies minus 90 divided by 195 minus of minus 91 divided by minus 195 is equal to, denominator will be 195 minus 90, minus into minus will become plus 91. So your answer will be definitely 1 divided by 195, because plus sign is greater, so it will be remaining is 1. Now coming to the fourth part, that is fourth part is minus 3 divided by 8 minus 7 divided by 11. This number is 7 by 11, which is plus. Subtraction, we have to subtract minus 3 by 8, minus 7 by 11 to minus 3 by 8. So now LCM of 8 and 11 is 88. Because no one is having the common factor, there is no common factor between 8 and 11, so we will multiply and that will be our LCM. Therefore, to make minus 3 by 8 denominator as 88, I will multiply 8 by 11, so numerator also by 11, we will get minus 33 by 88. And the other number, that is 7 by 11, to make the denominator 88 I will multiply it by 8, so numerator also by 8. Numerator we will get 7 8s are 56, 11 8s are 88. Therefore minus 33 divided by 88 minus 56 divided by 88. On solving further, we will get denominator as 88, numerator will be subtracted, minus 33 minus 56. Since the signs are same, we will keep the same sign and add the numerator. 56 plus 30, 86, 86 plus 3 is 89. So our answer will be 89 divided by 88. Converting into mixed fraction, we will get 88 ones are 88 plus 1, that is minus 1 integer 1 by 8 will be our answer. Now moving to the next part, that is the sixth part. Fifth part is minus 2 integer 1 by 9 minus 6. So it will become 9 2s are 18 minus 18, 9 2s are 18 plus 1 minus 19 by 9 minus 6. In denominator of 6 it is 1, always 1. So I will write, therefore LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. Therefore we will convert this number, because this in denominator always it is already 9, so we will make this number in denominator as 9. So we will write 6 divided by 1 multiply by 9 multiply by 9. So 9 6 is 54 divided by 9. Now we can subtract the two numbers. Therefore minus 19 divided by 9 minus 54 divided by 9 is equal to, I will get denominator as 9, numerator minus 19 and minus 54. Since both are negative, we will get the negative sign and we will add the numerator. 54 plus 10 is 64. 64 plus 6 is 70. 64 plus 6 is 70 and plus 3 73. We will convert it in mixed fraction. 9 8 is 72 plus 1 will give me 73. So our answer will be minus 8 integer divided by minus 8 integer 1 by 9. So this was all 5 parts for question number 2. Hope you have understood very well. If not, please go through the introduction lecture first and then see the lecture, this lecture. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.